So let me show you guys one of the easiest way to trade gold as a beginner. It's one of the easiest ways to trade gold. So let me just go to a better, clearer time frame. Yeah. You come to maybe 30 minutes or 4 hours time frame depending on your choice. Well, I'll start with 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. Let me go back to my schedule. Okay, come back to my 30 minutes time frame. Now you don't analyze gold market. That's if you're a scalper. You don't analyze gold market using these candlesticks here. The best way to analyze gold market is to come to this top and switch your candlestick pattern to line chart. Yeah, with this view you will see the full body of the candlestick. Unlike you'll be seeing on the normal candlestick, you'll be seeing the weak body, upper one and the lower one. But at this particular, using this chart, we'll get the actual solid part of it. So as you can see, you have to map out your lower lows and lower highs, higher highs and higher lows as much as you can find. You just have to map them out just like you are seeing here. There's a higher high at this particular zone and a lower low here, so I have to map out this particular zone. So at any particular point in time on the lower time frame, if price get to this particular zone coming from the downward, there's a possibility that it will go back to 50, 100 or even 200 pips. That's how scalping gold works. So I will switch back to my candlesticks. So you can see, let me go back to the lower time frame so you will see what I'm talking about here. Okay, so you can see at this particular zone here, when price goes to this particular zone, it falls down to this place and went back. Meanwhile, there was a price already retracing at this particular zone here, so you can see a higher high here and a higher low. So I map out this particular zone using my line chart, not candlesticks. So our price got to this particular zone, as you can see, it went back up to 100 pips plus. So this for scalping. And I got this lower low here, this higher low rather. I map it out, and at this particular zone, price got to here using my trend line confirmation, which is this line, it went up again, forming double top pattern here, and it went down, and when it gets to this particular zone again, it went up a bit. Now using my at this particular time, I didn't map this particular one here, this other block. So after this confirmation, this retracement here, I got this lower low at this particular zone. So I have to map it out using my line chart, not candles. You have to use your line chart. So I map it out using my trend line confirmation. I got this particular zone here as well, and I took my sell position down to this zone. So you can see, look at where this zone is coming from, all the way from this particular point down here. So when price got to this particular zone here, I took my buy position again, and when it gets here, I scalp down to this particular zone here, then up again. This whole scenario happens within 2 hours. So within 2 hours, I'm going to take how many trade? 1, 2, 3 and 4 positions I've took at this particular within 4 hours, and I make profit 100% from this 4 trades. So this is easy step for you to trade gold as a beginner. This is step for you to scalp gold as a beginner. Very simple. All you have to do is just apply proper risk management, manage your fund, trade according to your account size, and you are good to go. Peace.